viewers, welcome back to FAVOUR'S Kitchen. I welcome you to my channel. Today we are going to learn a great thing, so stay connected and watch. But don't forget to like, subscribe and share. To my viewers, don't forget I love you, and today I promise you are going to love and enjoy this very package. So here's our ingredients for the rod cake. We have our flour, our margarine, but for the margarine, if you have cooking fat or cooking oil, you can use it. But me, I prefer margarine, so I'm using margarine. We have our milk, we have egg, this is our nutmeg too. We have powdered nutmeg and a stone one, but I'll use the powdered one. We have our baking powder here. I've closed it because I don't want air to enter it, and our salt, and our flavor as well. So we are going to start mixing the dry ingredients. I'll add my baking powder, small amount of it. This is the baking powder, very small, because the flour is 250 grams, and a pinch of salt, small of it. I'm adding 2 tablespoons full of sugar. The sugar is a fine sugar, you have to use fine sugar. And some portion of our nutmeg. Okay, so we are mixing the dry ingredients. We've mixed our dry ingredients here, and the baking powder is going to make it proof. The nutmeg will give it flavor, and the salt too will give it taste. So we are now going to mix the liquid ingredients, which is the milk, our flavor. It also gives it extra flavor. I'm using vanilla flavor, but we have so many types of flavors, you can use it. We are going to add the egg, and small amount of water. So in rod BANS making, we use rubbing in method. So I'm going to rub in the margarine and the flour. Make sure your hands are always clean before you start your preparation. So I'm rubbing in with my fingertips. Okay, so I'm going to add the liquid ingredients. You have to make a wall in the center before you add it. And continue to mix with your fingertips. So this is our paste for the rod BANS. So our paste is ready now. We are going to fill it in our baking sheet. But you have to always grease your baking sheet with a margarine or cooking oil before you fill in your paste. The reason being that if you don't grease it, the rod cake, the products will stick in it. You can't remove them easily. So if you grease them, you easily remove them when they are well baked. So we are going to bake our rod BANS. but you have to always preheat your oven before you start your baking. Wow, so our rock buns is ready now. You can see it for yourself. I wish you were here to have a taste of it. It's really good. This is how it looks. So good. You can also use it as your business. So don't forget to share to your friends and family for more recipes, and continue to follow my channel and expect more recipes from FAVOUR'S Kitchen. Thanks for watching. See you next time.